Next, we move on to vowels in Spanish. Just as we have it in English, same can be seen over here. We have got 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but that was in English. So over here, we'll be pronouncing it in Spanish, that is A, E, O, U. First, we'll take the first alphabet, A. It is pronounced as the A in fa or father. So that's A. Examples: the alphabet A containing words are casa, that's meant as home, costa, that is coast. Next vowel, A or E in English. It is pronounced as E in the word let or end. So here we get A. The words having this vowel are L, that means he or the, ejemplo, that means example. Note over here, this is not ejemplo, this is ejemplo, because J in Spanish is pronounced as jota, k, so it is ejemplo. Next, the alphabet I in English, pronounced in Spanish as E, just as in the word cigarette, so we get a pronunciation of E. The words are mirar, that means to look, and another word for example is idea, that means idea. Next letter, O in English, pronounced O in Spanish, just like in the words low and cold, we get a pronunciation O. The words for example are sol, that means sun, poco, that means little. Over here, sorry for the mistake in this word. Next letter, U in English and U in Spanish, just as we get a pronunciation in the word rude, that's U, or in the word moon, just like U over here. Examples of this vowel in words are alguno, that means some, and Uruguay, that's a place, a country. Now that was with the vowels. There are 2 consonants in Spanish which have got special rules for themselves, the consonant G and C. Now we have got a table over here to demonstrate what those rules are. If you see the alphabet G followed by alphabet A, it is pronounced as ga. For example, gato. If you have letter G followed by O, it is pronounced as go. For example, gordo. If you have got letter G followed by U, it is pronounced as gu, that's gusto. If you're thinking what these letters means or these words means, gato means cat, gordo means fat, gusto means pleasure. We move next. G, if is followed by E, it is pronounced as K. It is not pronounced as gay, it is pronounced as K. And for example, we have a word called gente. Gente. Gente means people. And if we have got letter G followed by I, it is pronounced as ki. Ki. It is not gi, it is ki. For example, ginebra. Ginebra means rum or brandy. Similarly, we have got the consonant C. C plus A is pronounced as ka. For example, casa. Casa means home. C, if followed by O, it is pronounced as co. For example, cola. C plus U gives the pronunciation ku. For example, kuchara. Kuchara means spoon. If the letter C is followed by E, it is pronounced as se. For example, cerdo. C if followed by I, it is pronounced as si. For example, cigarillo. This is not cigarillo. This is cigarrillo because the double L is an alphabet pronounced as IA. So this gives the pronunciation cigarrillo. That means cigarette.